Breaking the wall of aquaculture waste. Anıl Axel Tellbüscher, Falling Walls Lab, Czech Republic.
All right, who of you guys like seafood? Hands up. Yeah, me too. 90 million tons of seafood are currently produced by the global aquaculture industry. And in order to feed the growing world population, these numbers will have to increase. So how do we actually grow seafood? Well, it's simple. We feed it and it grows. But unfortunately, nature is not perfect. So by producing our 90 million tons of seafood, we are also producing about 150 million tons of solid excreta and another 50 million tons of dissolved excreta. And if we do not remove these substances from the water, it simply pollutes the water, thus the rearing environment, which has negative health effects on our livestock. And to avoid this, we have to exchange water. But the point is that we already paid for nutrients that we are now intending to flush down the sink. So what to do about this? My answer to this question is smart coagulation. So it works like this. First of all, we use a coagulant. A coagulant works like a fishing net. So it is basically capturing the substances that are otherwise non-removable from the water and converts them into agglomerates that can then be removed, for instance, by using mechanical filtration or sludge pumps. And in the next step, we can take this sludge and valorize it. We can make something out of it. For instance, we can use it as a feedstock to produce biogas, thus regaining parts of the energy that we spent for the process. So what makes this process smart now? It is simply the choice of the coagulant, because by smart choice of the coagulant, we can alter the composition of the resulting sludge and make it more suitable for one or the other way of valorization. And if we wrap this up into a service, we can gain both the aquaculture farmers and the biomass valorizers as potential customers. Considering that, for instance, in the European Union, the EU Green Deal is currently fostering the transition of our food production systems towards more circularity, I think this is a fairly good business idea. What do you think? Thank you very much for your attention.